Okie dokie. Evening, everyone. Devin and Kenny with you tonight. We're going to talk about our new rocker guard. It's not a mud flap, first of all. I know we had a lot of people like, oh my god, that's the smallest mud flap. Do you make them? We're not mud flap people. Kenny, are you a mud flap guy?
No, sir.
No, we're not a mud flap people. But we do like our rockers somewhat protected, which is really tough to do if you run a bigger offset tire wheel combo, maybe a mud tire. So came up with this idea about 8 years ago and just thought we'd kind of release it. It's a, like I said, it's a rocker guard. It guards this area here that takes a beating on our lovely OBS Fords. It kind of helps protect the paint right in this area. Maybe your paint's already chattered, but it'll cover it up and kind of help it a little bit more. It does help with the rocker area. It does. This guy does alleviate a little bit of the chatter that happens down there as well. One thing that's cool about this is it bolts to the OE holes that are in the fender. And if you are running the chrome trim, it still works with the chrome trim as well. Come in there, Kenny. Check that out. Kind of neat is we took this and we kind of followed the contour of the fender, brought it out enough, but didn't make it so it's like sticking out a ton. We did make the holes oblonged, so you had enough adjustability. So if you were running like a bigger offset, you could slim them in there. If you're running like a narrow kind of a pizza cutter look like this, you can poke them out a little bit.
Why would you poke them out? Wouldn't you poke them in? I think you said that backwards.
Did I say it backwards?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's up to you. Maybe you just want to mix it up a little bit, like have them tilted. I don't know.
It's a game changer.
That's right. There you go. Anyway, pretty cool. It's something neat. Not really. Oh, we gave you new hardware too, and you new U-nuts that go behind the fender there in case maybe yours is missing.
So it's not a mud flap.
No. Oh, we didn't give enough room for Yosemite Sam, the Back Off, or Trucker Girl, so no, it's not a mud flap.
Will they fit on the back?
Not yet. We're working on the back ones.
Are those cowboy boots?
They are. I traded my dirt bikes for a horse.
Weird.